Managing 5, 10, or even more SEO tools is exhausting. You're juggling multiple subscriptions, switching between dashboards, and losing context across keyword research, content optimization, and rank tracking. By 2026, the case for a unified platform is clear. The problem isn't that specialized tools don't work, they do. But for small and medium business owners without a dedicated SEO team, consolidation saves time, money, and mental energy. One login, one dashboard, one source of truth. We tested the leading all-in-one platforms, and Overrank emerges as the strongest choice if you want SEO-optimized content published automatically without writing or agency costs. The right platform depends on your actual needs. So let's break down the best options.